We want to press it straight down the center line of the barrel.
Okay.
Just like that. This tendon moves it to the rear. This one keeps it flat on the face of the trigger.
All right.
Just like that. Let's do left edge, Jared.
Sending.
Send.
You want to start reloading the gas because these are too expensive.
It's coming right here.
All right, come back at right edge.
6'5". Grade 1.
And favor about a third of the plate low.
Sending.
Send. Sit back. All right, let's go at 6.
I'm rolling.
Jared, let's go right edge. Or just off right edge.
Oh,
Sending.
Send.
that was mine, right?
Oh, hold on a minute. Safety was on.
You haven't even taken the safety off, rookie.
Sending.
Send. All right, come back at left edge.
Coolest thing ever.
Are you going to put this out anywhere?
Oh yeah, everything's gonna be on Instagram, YouTube, all of
Okay.
them.
Georgia Fire Line?
GA Firing Line, that's right.
GA Fire Line? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Give me quarter plate off left edge.
Quarter plate off.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Okay.
Sending.
Send. Come back. All right, let's move out.
Nice.
Let's go to the diamond.
That was a good hit.
Did you hear that report like a couple seconds after you pulled the trigger?
All right, where do I locate this diamond?
It's a sideways square
You can
is
get
what you're
them
looking
on
for.
Amazon. So there, I started looking for music.
Oh, there it is. Oh, dude, a sideways square.
You find it?
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, Jared, give me halfway between right edge and bullseye.
All right.
All right. Sending.
Okay.
Send.
I'll do the.
Get back.
You're really good at that, dude.
There's a black bag.
Really good.
Probably in the back of the truck.
So when I make your
Do you want it
subtitle,
inside?
"The Wizard of Wind Calls," I don't feel bad.
All right, you ready to go out further?
Sure.
Huh?
Fire open.
Half plate right.
Half plate, right?
Yep. On the rectangle.
Sending.
Send. Impact.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
That doesn't suck, huh?
First round impact at 840. How's that feel?
That feels good.
Feels good.
Sorry you had to shoot that crappy rifle, man. Listen, we gotta start you low to move you up. What do you think?
That was awesome. I think there's one more. Can I shoot it?
Sure.
All right. All right.
You fell left to right on us, G.
Sending.
All.
All right. Oh, that feels good.
I'm gonna try to take it. I just need to balance it. I gotta wait for it to get down there a little bit. Give me left edge. Now,
Sending.
send. And back. Peter, thank you.
Hell yeah.
That one? Did you see that one?
That was
Did you
cool.
see that one?
We got it on camera too.
Incredible. Incredible. Oh no!
Tell you, man, the Wizard of Wind Calls.
I had to wait for it to get down there.
Yeah. The
So
wind.
you saw how we only had it for about 12 seconds?
Yeah.
I had to wait for it to move out. Good shot, dude. Good
Thanks,
shot.
man.
You dunked that one in the freaking center.
Thank
Heck
you.
yeah.